Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from Wuben. Now this here is their C3, comes in this box. Now they sent this to me to review, of course. So now let's go ahead here and take a look at the specs. Try to get those best I can there. As you can see, 1200 lumens on the highest output. Now if you are needing any more time to read that, go ahead and pause your screen. Otherwise, let's open this up and see what's in. Now this is a complete kit. Comes with everything you need in this box to get started. You got a USB charging cable that is a Type-C. You get one lanyard here from Wuben. Pretty good size as well. 2 O-rings. And one certificate here showing you quality you can check. And I like the fact that they do this because you actually see an imprint stamp. And it shows there 5/8 of 2020. And that's an assurance that they've checked the light before it left. So that's always a big plus. This is a brand new model for them, so that's nice. And talking about warm-up tips there. Multi-languages. Here's the user manual. Now this here is really detailed, but it is on the small side, multi-languages. And of course it's like an accordion. Just there, top and bottom. More than enough detail. So that's everything in there. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the light. Now here's a sticker on here. I'll show that to you now. Telling you to remove the insulation plate, and that's the little insert that they give you. That way the battery is fully charged when you get it, or does not drain during storage. Remember back in the day, before they started doing that, you get a light sometimes, 6-7 months to a year later, if they're on sale, and you get the battery and the battery's dead. It was quite a bit of a pain. So now that we got that off, there it is. Got some knurling here. Got tail clicky on there. And here's the charging port. Clip is pretty heavy duty on this. You can remove it as well if you don't want it on there. This is a nice compact light, great for everyday carry. Got that tactical feel to it as well. And it feels really good. Now the style and design on this is very nice. Got that little curvature at the head there. It does have some little strike feature on there. The bezel. It's actually pretty unique. I haven't seen anything like that. It does look good though. And the machining and finish on this is excellent. Feels good, smooth, not a sharp edge anywhere on this. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take a look here. Has the special optics, as you can see. Now this is running the OSRAM P9 LED. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take this all apart and I'll show you the insides. Start off with the spring. And here's the piece they want you to remove. Take the battery out here. Show you the battery first here. We have an 18650, 2600 milliamp. This is a protected cell. This is a 10 amp cell. It's going to be able to provide you plenty of power to run this light. And of course you can always upgrade to a higher milliamp cell if you choose. And there is a spring down inside the head. You can see. And it looks to be about the same quality here as on the tail cap. Now you do have well greased threads. Now let's go ahead and put this back together. Alright, now that we got it all back together, let's go ahead and go through the UI. Now the UI is pretty simple. You turn that on. You do have a battery level indicator there. That will turn red when the battery's about 50%, and it'll start to blink red when it needs to be recharged critically low. And then all you do is half press to go through those light outputs. A lot of light coming out of that. Really nice hot spot on there. You can see the type of beam it is, very similar to some of the other lights that have this special optics. Has a real large hot spot there, and then the spill tapers off to the side. Half press that again. You can double half press this to get strobe. And that is a constant speed on the flash. And now you can simply click it one time and then half press that again. Brings you back down to the lowest light output. This light does have memory mode, so if you do push the light to another level, turn it off, turn it back on. It does have memory mode, so that's always nice to have. Now this thing is built solid. Really have always been impressed with Wuben products. I've been doing them for many years now, and this one here is very impressive, and just a very nice build quality on these Wuben products. And I've been doing them for years, and this one is very impressive as well. Alright, well, let's wait no further. Let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. out here in the darkness with the Wuben C3. So let's go ahead and get in action. There it is on the water spout. That's 35 feet from where I'm standing. So that's impressive. Yeah, that is even up close. And you can kind of see here. There it is on the fence. This light level's good for up close. So you got about 35 feet, maybe a little more before it drops off. All right, let's go to the next level, see how it does. That's the next jump there. Osram LEDs are very impressive. 65 feet to that tree there. And it is faintly making 138 feet on that tree of life. Look at that. Nice. All right, we're going to go up to the next level, see how it does. Spill has come alive here. Nice, tapering off. Now making the tree easily 138 feet to that tree. Faintly making the one behind it. 238 feet. Tree line, fence line. Alright, we're going to go to the next level here. See how it does. Look at that. Go behind my hand here. That is impressive. Nice job, Wuben. Look at that. Easily making it across the park. Look at all this light. Spill is huge. And it tapers off, but it's still very much usable. Making those trees way out there past the baseball field. (230 feet). 238 feet behind the tree of life, 138 feet. While I'm standing, making the school, all from this little light. Do a before and after here, let's see how it does. Before, after. Look at that. Incredible. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. A really impressive performance. I'm seeing more and more of these Osram, Samsung LEDs coming into the market, and it's definitely going to give Cree a run for their money. Including Luminous is another one that's been around for a while, but they're really starting to make a quality LED, and it's good to see that. Hopefully prices will come down as well. As far as the looks of this, looks great. I'm not seeing any issues. Really perfect for EDC as well as tactical if you need it. That's nice. The performance on that is more of a kind of a floody beam with the mixture of combination. It doesn't have really amazing throw on it, but it definitely has some pretty impressive light output, especially for this size. Now remember, this is a brand new model, the C3, so I was glad to be able to get this from Wuben directly. Now just remember, this is a complete kit, so it comes with a battery. You can use other types of 18650s if you have them, Now I am glad that they went with the Type C. It's always nice because you can put it in either way, it doesn't matter, versus the micro, it only goes in one way. Sometimes they get jammed up and put it in the wrong way. This way, Type C goes in either way, and also has a little bit better charging rates, especially if you use that 3.0, 3.1 battery charger, or port, whatever you want to use to charge this light. Well, I want to thank Wuben for sending me this to review. Now, if this is something you're interested in getting, remember you get everything here, including the battery inside. I'll leave a link down in the description area where you can get this. And that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these Wuben products to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.